Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to share with you how to change bold font in your Samsung Galaxy A04. So let's take a look how to do that. You might be recently bought this Samsung Galaxy A04 and you are wondering how to make your phone font style bold. So in order to do that, it's really very easy and simple. You need to go in your Samsung Galaxy A04 settings section. After click over settings section, you need to click here display. After click over display, you need to click here font size and style, and then you will find something say bold font. So if I'm going to turn this on, immediately my phone all font style is going to be appear bold font, which is really quite interesting. So within this simple way you can easily make your Samsung Galaxy A04 font style is bold. If you decide to make it normal, you can go again here settings section, click here display, and then click here font size and style, and you can easily turn this off and that's going to be appear normal font. So within this simple way you can easily change font style in your Samsung Galaxy A04 to bold. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.